In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a shared folder in Dropbox. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can quickly remove a person's access without affecting the rest of your files or other collaborators. This is especially useful if someone no longer needs to see a folder, has left your team, or you simply shared it with the wrong person by mistake. First, open your web browser and go to your Dropbox home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of your files and folders. Find the shared folder from which you want to remove someone. If you're not sure which folders are shared, look for the little people icon next to the folder name, which indicates that it's shared with others. Next, move your mouse over that folder and click on the Share button. This button is usually visible when you hover over the folder name. Clicking Share opens a panel where you can manage who has access to this folder and what level of permissions they have. In that sharing panel, you'll see options related to inviting or managing people. Click on Add People. Even though this sounds like you're only adding new collaborators, this area is also where you can review and edit the list of people who currently have access to the folder. Once that window is open, look toward the top right corner, next to the Close or X button. You'll see some small account icons there. Click on those account icons. This expands the view so you can see a detailed list of every person who has access to the folder, along with their permission level, such as editor or viewer. Now, look through the list and find the account you want to remove. Next to that person's name or email, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down. This menu lets you change their permission level or completely remove them from the folder. From the drop-down options, select Remove. Dropbox may ask you to confirm that you want to remove this person's access. Once you confirm, they'll no longer be able to open or sync that shared folder. The folder and its contents remain intact for you and for anyone else who still has access. Only that specific person is removed.